Open up Oracle VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Give it a name and select your Windows 7 image file. Uncheck Proceed with Unattended Installation and click Finish. Increase the video memory to 256. Start the VM. Proceed with the installation. All done. Please subscribe.